I would say most people's dream of visiting Torres Paine started with a single image. For me, I was merely taking part of Dean's dream until I came across this photo. It meant waking up at 3 and we were up for the challenge, but Mother Nature had other plans. For a brief moment, we weren't sure if it was worth heading up to the Mirador at all, but of course it was. We made our way up after breakfast, knowing we had a bus to catch at 2 p.m. That gave us only 3 hours to make it up and back.
Okay, day 9. Final day going to the top, and we've just hit a bit of snow. Sunrise up there. So, yeah, a little bit bummed about it, but a storm, so let's hope it's not still there, because that's what we can't run.
Alright, now it's the real time. About 45 minutes up. Very steep rocks.
Sweating out the storm here. Take my jacket off, put it back on. It's just hard work right now.
It may look cold, but I am melting inside. So hot. Pretty steep, pretty steady uphill. Good to have water. Drinking this water is amazing. I wanted to do this at 3 in the morning, but looking at it now, I'm pretty glad we didn't, because it would have been a scramble in the dark. Day 9 was the only day Dean struggled more than I did. I picked up the pace so that he had no other choice but to keep moving forward. He wasn't very happy.
Man, throw it at the camera.
I just have really bad aim. Ready?
Last one. It's beautiful, but I'm seriously over this.
It was a difficult day for the both of us, especially with the time constraint. But once we reached the base, it was pure magic. Ah, honey! This is it! Keep going. We made it!
Hard work, but good reward.
We pretty much ran down the mountain from the base of Las Torres for about an hour and a half, getting our backpacks again was now it feels like quite heavy, and we've been walking uphill and our legs feel like they're about to give way anytime soon. Really struggling. the final lunch. We can now see our last destination, which is Torres Central. Probably about half an hour to go.
Beer. Last Torres del Paine Bridge.
Well, we think anyway. We'll see. Turns out we celebrated too early. We forgot that the bus stop is at the Welcome Center and not at Torres Central. Once my feet realized this, they started throwing a tantrum. Stop walking! Centro de Bienvenida. No, Bienvenida. Remember when we saw the last bridge? Yeah, it wasn't. Bridge. Oh, my feet. Official time.
1:13.
Okay, 1:13, 29th, no, 30th of January. We have finally reached the Welcome Center, which means our Seoul circuit has officially ended. Nice one.
Yeah, buddy.
We were knackered and didn't want to take another step. But with one sip of beer, we were immediately planning our next trip back to do it all over again. Torres del Paine 2029. There's my baby!